नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल विच इज योर इंटरफेसिंग रास्पबेरी पाई विद द RFID. ठीक है, this is your RFID, that is RC522. For that we required one of the library which is MFRC 522. ठीक है, this is your RFID tag and these are the jumper wires which is required. ठीक है, we'll do the connection. So you can see in the RFID there are 8 connections, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we are going to connect this in breadboard like this. You have to do the connections. From out of 8 we have to do only 7 connections. ठीक है, start from here. So this is your first connection, first, then second. पहले connect, first connect all wires, second, third, फोर्थ, एक्सेप्ट फिफ्थ वन. ओके, फिफ्थ वाले में कनेक्शन नहीं देना है. गो टू द डायरेक्टली सिक्स्थ, देन सेवेंथ एंड एट. ठीक है, हो गया कनेक्शन. 8 में 8 कनेक्ट कर लिए, सॉरी 7 कनेक्शन हो गए. नाउ आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू डू द कनेक्शन ऑफ फर्स्ट वायर. फर्स्ट वायर गोज टू द CEO. From in GPIO you can see here, this is your first wire connection, CEO. Second pin goes to the CLK. You can see here SCLK, that is your serial clock, SCLK. Then third connection, third pin goes to the MOSI, right, that is master output slave input, master in slave output, sorry, master output slave input. And the fourth pin goes to the in between the MOSI and SCLK, that is MISC, right, that is master in slave out. Okay, now fifth pin connect नहीं किया है. Sixth pin goes to the ground, then 7 goes to 25 about to CEO के ऊपर वाला पिन है 25. और फाइनल लास्ट पिन goes to the 3.3 volt. Pause कर. Now you can see your RFID connection will be properly done. Okay, now after that we have to check first your SPI connection is enabled or not. So we have to again go to the preferences, then Raspberry configuration, within that interfaces, and check SPI connection, enable it and click on OK and reboot your system. Okay, after enabling SPI you have to see how many SPI devices is available over there. So we have to first type one command. See, here we have to type one command, that is ls mode space grep SPI. You can see the two devices is available over there for the SPI connection. Okay, next we have to create two directories, so which I already created, that is you can see by ID okay. So So already we have one directory, that is TYIT, and within that we will create one more directory. In TYIT we will create one more directory, that is only RFID. Okay, RFID. Now we have to go into that directory with the help of cd command. Cd space TYIT slash or what RFID and slash. Same name है, check करो. See, TYIT and RFID. Okay, so now we are in this directory TYIT and RFID. Within that we have to create a clone for the SPI. Okay, so we'll type git clone space https://github.com/LTHIERY/SPI/PY dot git. So this command is used to create a clone for the SPI. Okay. So how to see it? With cloning means what? It will creating one more directory in your folder. Okay. So you can see in TYIT RFID here, right? SPI PY, this clone will created in your folder. Now next command, which is we have to go into that directory which is cd SPI, make a name as it is, write the name as it is, PY. So now we are in the directory of SPI. Okay, now in that directory we have to install the Python script, which is sudo python setup.py install. So it will install that setup into the folder of SPI. Okay. After that we have to set up one more library, which is a MFRC 522 library. So for that we have to come out from the SPI directory. So for come out from any directory we have to fire which command? cd space ... So we are now out of the SPI directory. Now we have to again create one more clone. So for creating a clone we are using the same command, git clone github.com/my-life/mfrc522-python.git. So again it will creating a clone of which? MFRC 522, right? इसका clone create करेगा. You can see, दिख रहा है? MFRC 522 Python. So ये directory created. Now after that again we have to go into that directory. So which command we are using? cd, make a name as it is, MFRC 522 and Python, right? Miss, ruko.
1, 2, 3, start.
Okay. So now we have to copy, write the code in the directory of MFRC 522. ठीक है? MFRC 522 के अंदर दो कोड लिखने हैं, राइट वाला एंड रीड वाला. So we have to open this first write code. In this code we have to write the data in RFID tag. So import RPI GPIO as GPIO, which is a object, then MFRC 522 which is your library which we required for this module, then reader. With the help of reader we are using the simple MFRC method, then setup warning false, then try, and final block text input new data. So new data will be printing as it is, and after that we are going to type the text. Okay, so that text, if that text is read by the tag, then it will write the return. Okay, so with the help of the read.write method, which is read the data into the tag finally and clean up your code. Okay, so we'll run it. Run your code. After running, it will display the input which is new data. After that we are going to type next data. Now it will ask to place your tag on RFID. Okay, after placing, it will display the return. Right? It means what? The data is written in the RFID tag. So now we have to run next command, which is the read command. Sorry, read code. In read, we are using the same concept. So instead of write, just we are using the read method. So importing RPI GPIO as an object, MFRC library importing, then reader.simple MFRC, read this method, try, it will first print, now place your tag to read. So we have to first place the tag on the RFID reader, then it will read the ID and text which we are writing in the tag. Okay, so as I already typed, the text is native, so that text will be read by the reader with the help of reader.read method. It will print ID of this tag and print the text which we are typing in the code. Okay, so run your code. After running, it will ask to now place your tag to read. So we'll place the tag. After placing the tag, it will display the ID of this tag and the data which we had written in the tag, which is a red pick. Okay, clear everyone?